I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and once again they sent me this beautiful closure wig. The only thing is this is not an HD lace. I think it is medium brown lace. I found a way to finesse it to make it like blend with my skin tone. If you're my skin tone or lighter, it might not blend like as seamless as you would like it to be blended. But if you're darker skin tone, then you're fine. It will definitely work for you. But the description of this wig is called the Charming Brown Ombre 99G Layered Wig, Loose Wave 5x5 Closure. It is glueless, but I did go ahead and install it with some hairspray, and I just use the even tinted, not even tinted, but the even hairspray. Now before we jump into the installation of the wig, also I don't remember the length. I think it is either 20 inches or 18 inches. I'm gonna say 20. But before we jump into the installation of the wig and how I end up getting this look, I just want to show you guys what they sent me inside the package. So this is the Luvmehair box. This is the package. This is what the wig came in. They sent me some rollers. Actually, I took them out because I was wondering if I was going to put them in this wig, but I didn't do it. I ended up just using my curling iron because I wanted it to have like the straight ends that it had. It actually came like this. And I wanted to keep the curls, so I didn't want to add the rollers. And you know, if you add rollers are going to give it that like blown out look, but it would have been more like curled up and not like straight at the ends. So they did send me some rollers, so I got these, which I'm happy for because I was going to buy some. So the fact that I got it for free, I am super happy. They sent me some makeup sponge with the Luvmehair logo on it. They also sent me some baby hair comb. They sent me the headscarf that I could use to tie my baby hairs down when I'm doing the installation. And they also sent me the Luvmehair bag to put the wig in when I'm done wearing it. Now if you guys love to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. Try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. I'm thinking this side. Hey. Told me about all your insecurities for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah. is this stuff for me? Oh yeah, just say alright. Oh yeah. You wanna get with me? Stop it.
Shawty made that exception, don't need no flow. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas, no. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shit with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top. She wants your name and yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside the Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty cause I don't lose a side. You see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you gonna do it. Shawty made that exception, don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas, no. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shit with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top. If I hit the front of that, she gon' hit the sidewalk. If she got the best with her, take a better ride off. Gotta find up on it, wild.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The links to the wig will be down in the description box if you guys would love to purchase it. Definitely check down below. If I have a coupon code, it will be down in the description box as well. But yeah, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Put some ice on you cause you